we've got nothing to keep our feet on the ground anyway. We're ninth in the league. It's good enough. So we've got nothing to keep our feet on the ground for. We've got to push hard. We've got to chase the teams above us. But I know the experience in this league is 18 games to go, and I know it's a long way to go. And each week you've got to chip away the teams above you, because it's a long old 3 months, 4 months to go. So you just keep chipping away, and you've got to pick up good runs.
Unbelievable to be appreciated, especially being a home grown lad by your own fans is unbelievable, and like I say, I'm very pleased.
Brighton come back now, they're the Premier League team, so you look at them and the way that they reacted to that game, which obviously went in our favour, that's the reaction that we're looking at to get now in the Championship. The roles have sort of reversed, I suppose.
Yes, to be honest, that's what happened when we lost the final in that playoff final. To be honest, the next year we went up. That's probably what happened to them. Exactly the same thing. You come back hungry and you believe you can do it, and that's what they did. Hopefully now we know we have been there last year. I think we can do it again.